morning. Before we fish anywhere, we go out and we take a hard look at the river. And as you can see, they're pulling water below the dam. This is the Madison River, and it's about 11 o'clock in the morning, and they're pulling water out of the dam. So the river is running high right now, and it's kind of dirty. But it's a beautiful spot down through this canyon. This is Bear Trap Canyon, and so we're just taking a look to see if it's fishable. There's a bunch of guys that are stopping and pulling out fly rods, so I assume that it may be fishable. Hi, good morning. We're back at Bear Trap Canyon. We're gonna see if we can't catch a fish or two, and it's awful pretty down here this morning, and we got the bear spray and all of that, and we'll just see how it goes.
Absolutely gorgeous down here. I caught two already. I got a rainbow and a brook trout. A pretty one. All right, we had a better day. We finally caught some fish.
Yeah, I had 4, she had 5. Yeah. So yeah, and they were all pretty good fish too. There was a couple small ones, but
I got one little brookie. So.
Yeah, and we had some pretty good sized ones too, 17, 18 in that area.
Yeah. So I think this is definitely a spot we will revisit when we come back to Ennis to fish the Madison.
That's a fact.
So.
Yep, and saw a rattlesnake.
Yeah, I'm not a snake person. So anyway, if you're in the Ennis area and fishing the Madison, you want a day for something different, you might want to think about Bear Trap Canyon.
Oh yeah, down below the dam.
Yep. Bye. See you next time. We are Herons on the Fly.
Oh yeah, and don't forget, like, share, and subscribe.
We appreciate you. Thanks. Bye.